Hi folks, and welcome back for another exciting recipe video. Today we are making crispy herb roasted chicken that is super succulent on the inside but extremely crispy on the outside. And we are going to be roasting this in our oven. To a bowl we are going to be adding some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, chili flakes, black pepper, ginger powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt, cumin, paprika, and we are going to soak this down in some oil. I will leave the recipe in the description box. But I'm going to mix this until it's nice and smooth and dissolve all the salt particles and until all the spices have come together. But this will not be herb roasted if we forgot the herbs. So let's add our herbs to this. So let's add some fresh thyme. We're going to add some fresh chopped parsley, fresh chopped rosemary, and this is the flavor of all flavors. We're going to add some chopped flavor pepper, also known as seasoning pepper, and we are adding a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let's mix everything in and get all the flavors coming together for our crispy chicken. Once everything has come together, let's get our chicken and we're going to coat our chicken in this. What I like to do is to get my chicken legs and I like to score them with a very sharp knife to have all these flavors go in there, because we are not going to be marinating this for very long. We are just going to coat them, and once we are done, we're going to pop them right in a 370-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 1 hour. While I do this, I want to say thank you for all those who have subscribed and who have been watching my content. On my screen now is some quick shout outs for my top commenters. I just want to say thank you. Comment below and I will add your name to the next list in my next recipe. You want to coat the chicken and get all the flavors, especially in the score that we just scored our chicken. Pack the flavors in and don't hesitate to push it way inside the chicken legs. And we are on our last chicken leg. What the oil does is the oil gives us a nice crispy skin. And as you can see, I am baking these on my cooling rack, which allows the heat to circulate around the chicken legs and gives it a beautiful golden brown. So let's pop this in the oven. If you don't have a cooling rack, you can pop these on a baking tray and pop them in the oven. And these are what our chicken legs look like 1 hour later. So we're going to plate this up. If you are enjoying this video or enjoying the recipe, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, give this video a share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and you can support my channel and support me by going through my channel and watching some more of my videos, commenting on them, liking them, and if you see the hype button, please folks, I am asking you, give the video hypes by just pressing the button. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.